Science!
Oh.
Woo! Science!
Hey kids, Professor Marbles is here, and today, Hey kids, Professor Marbles is here, and Hey kids, Professor Marbles here. Today we're gonna light a balloon on fire with science. So let's go on and get outside.
All right, so we're at the lab, and we're gonna take a balloon, fill it with water, and put it by a candle, which is our source of heat, and we're gonna see if it pops. So here we go. Did it work?
It didn't work.
I forgot the water last time. That might have helped. So let's see how this goes. Well, it's doing a lot better. And it's like charring up the balloon. And it hasn't popped. Should I make it pop? I'm gonna make it pop.
Okay, I'm ready.
I said I'm gonna make it pop. I said pop. Come on. Come on. Is it just, come on. It's just moving. And that's why you wear eye protection.
I'm good, bro. You geeking, bro. I'm good. Bro. Get off me. I'm good, bro.
And that's why we do our science outside. Thanks for watching. Remember to always look for the science around you, and I'll see you at the next experiment.
Winter, spring, summer, fall, the temperate zone has them all. Winter, spring, summer, fall, the temperate zone has them all.